we're going to go ahead and talk about how to install a command hook. The first step that you'll want to take is to clean both the hook and the surface that you'll be adhering it to with rubbing alcohol. So you just clean it off real nice like that, let it dry, and then clean the spot on the wall where you're going to hang it. The next step is going to be to remove the red strip here, and you're actually going to apply this adhesive side directly to the hook. And you can see they actually have this little plastic bit right here, so you can get it all lined up nice and straight, hopefully. There we go. Now once that's applied, you want to make sure that it's on there securely. You're going to remove the black strip, and then just find the place where you're going to go ahead and put your hook, set it on the wall, and hold it there for 10 seconds. It's just that easy here at Downtown Ace.